SavvyMoney Honest Review. Watch before using. SavvyMoney is a comprehensive financial tool designed primarily for individuals who want to monitor and manage their credit health efficiently. With a focus on simplicity and accessibility, it offers free credit score tracking, detailed credit reports, and personalized insights to improve your score. The platform is particularly useful for those looking to get a clear snapshot of their credit situation without the need for expensive credit monitoring services. One of its standout features is the regular updates on your credit score, refreshing every week, which gives you a real-time view of where you stand. It also breaks down your credit report into categories like payment history, credit utilization, and accounts in good standing, making it easy to understand what's impacting your score. SavvyMoney is integrated with several banking apps, so if your financial institution partners with them, you can easily access all your credit data from within your bank's app. No separate login required. This integration is a huge convenience for users who want to keep an eye on their credit score without jumping between multiple platforms. For those working on improving their credit, SavvyMoney offers actionable recommendations tailored to your financial behavior. Whether it's paying down debt, opening a secured card, or disputing an error on your report, these tips are practical and designed to help you make informed decisions. However, it's important to note that SavvyMoney doesn't offer full identity theft protection or more advanced credit monitoring features like some premium services do. So, if you're looking for comprehensive fraud alerts or protection against identity theft, you may need to look elsewhere. But for its core offering, credit score monitoring and financial insights, it's an excellent user-friendly solution. In short, SavvyMoney is ideal for those who want a simple, no-cost way to track their credit and make improvements without overwhelming them with unnecessary features or fees. If that sounds like what you need, give it a try.